Candidate number 2. Kalikasan warrior costume is a vibrant representation of nature and environmentalism, typically crafted from eco-friendly materials such as rubber, pad, and ethnic fabric. The wooden beads in 3 different colors, yellow, green, and red, and the multicolored rhinestones symbolizes the beauty and diversity of our environment. The colors used in costume hold significant meaning, with yellow representing sunshine and optimism, with green symbolizing growth and harmony, with red signifying passion and energy. The combination of these colors and materials comes together to create a powerful visual statement about the importance of protecting and preserving our natural world. Designer, Yuriko Martin Loyola. Once again, candidate number 2.